Akulira oludda olwa Gavumenti mu Parliament Mathias Mpuuga Ayambalidde yennyamidde olw'enkola Gavumenti gy'ekolamu emirimu naddala ku mateeka agaleetebwa ababaka nga bo. Wanategeeza nga Ssabawolereza wa Gavumenti bw'awa obudde obungi era n'okussaayo buli kyetaagisa ku mateeka agaleetebwa Gavumenti gokka olwo agaleetebwa ababaka ne galekebwa ttayo.
To appeal to the Land Attorney General to consider that private members' bills are actually people's bills, and as such, offer the necessary support. This is so elaborate for it to simply pass as a member having failed to consider what he wanted to portray. So I believe that this should arouse us to the fact that we need to take care of these bills and to even appeal to government, because private members do propose these laws either because government is sluggish or actually lazy or even tired sometimes to act on some of these small things. So support the private members to help you and help government.
Ono okuvayo bw'ati kiddiridde omukulembeze w'eggwanga okuzza etteeka erikwata ku bintu ebikolebwa wano ng'etteeka lino lyaleetebwa omubaka Patrick Nsamboshabe era omukulembeze w'ekikolo eggwanga olukulu Anita Mong yategeeza bino Paalamenti nga n'ensonga omukulembeze w'eggwanga kwe yasinzidde okuzza ebbago lino azirambise.
40 and 41 on prohibition of imposition of foreign standards and foreign technical qualifications. The mandate of Uganda National Bureau of Standards is to formulate and promote the use of standards in Uganda. The mandate takes into consideration that Uganda National Bureau of Standards does not have the standards for items procured or produced in the country. Therefore, a provision allowing international standards where necessary should be incorporated. In view of the above, I hereby return the bill to Parliament for a review of the sections listed above.
Mpuuga ategeeza ng'ebitongole bya gavumenti ebitali bimu bwe birekerera Paalamenti ekintu eky'obulabe.
I'm glad the Land Attorney General is here. The President does not respond to those bills in person, but through the offices that support him. Those same offices did not offer the requisite technical backstopping to the committee and the member. That's why this whole entire elaborate, bill is almost returned. And this should really be an awakening call.
Omukubiza w'ekikolo eggwanga olukulu Anita Mong yennyamidde olw'abakungu abateekateeka ambago gano era n'awa akakiiko ebbanga lya ssabbiiti emu ng'ebbago limaze okutereezebwa era nga likomye mu Paalamenti.
It's like Finance wrote back to the President on the pension. Finance wrote to the President on pension and our pension bill was rejected. We thank God it was finally passed. Now, Attorney General, you are always in the House when we are passing bills. How come you don't advise the House? You are the advisor of this government. Why do you leave the House to pass anything? Now, the issues that are being raised are very small things. Why wouldn't you advise?
Omubaka Patrick Oshabe eyaleeta ebbago lino naye alina by'ayogedde.
Among the things that I've heard you reading, they included the comments of the first comment that came through. So I really don't think that the committee didn't do a good job. Actually, I think the people from that side also didn't do a good job.
It is actually not the committee alone. It is the drafting people. At times we pass laws here and the drafting people go and mess up everything. Because how come that what was captured is not what is there?
Ssabawolereza wa Gavumenti Kyowa Kiwanuka yeetondedde Paalamenti olw'ebyasoba era nategeeza nga bwe bakoze ekisoboka ku mateeka agatali gamu.
Shared them and said this issue is covered here and there, but we remain available to work with you, and the members whom we have worked with, we've come up with very good bills working with the members of the House. So we're sorry about this, and I am sure we shall do better next time, and when we come to the committees, we shall work together to try and find solutions that can help us to get these bills moving.
Thank you.
But we sincerely apologize, members, for this situation.
Among afulumiza ebiragiro ku mabaga wagaddako okwewala ekituuse ku lino omuli ebiwayi byonna okukkiriziganya ku bbago obukakafu ng'ebbago lino liweerezebwa eri pulezidenti n'ebirala.
When a bill is going to Muzei, we want a copy of the letter that you've... when the bill is going to the president, but is old. Honorable Attorney General, when the bill is going to the president, we will want a copy of the letter, a covering letter from you, because we want to avoid that aspect of a bill staying with the president for more than 30 days.
Yes, Chigongo, Kura, Channel 44, Oreguro.